This 2022 Grand Design Reflection 311 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, Skylight, spare tire kit, microwave, slide-out, LP detector, oven, awning, leveling jacks, TV, external shower, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Reflection 311 BHS is 11,185 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.